Hi all, today 25th May 2024. We are morning around 6:30. We are starting to Texas waterfall, lakes and river road trip for 3 days. We'll be back on Monday evening. We reached the Barton Creek Greenbelt Trailhead. So here is the parking near the road itself. It's 1.6 miles total one way, and then around 3 miles both the ways. On the way we are going to visit two twin falls and then the Sculptor Falls. This is where the twin falls is, but there is no water, complete dry. So we are going to move forward to Sculpture Falls. Let's see whether any water is going to be there in Sculpture Falls. It is like a nature walk. It's full of trees. It's like a forest. Vehicle sounds. And matching Sculpture Falls. Clear water. So we are having a pulihara as a breakfast with chicken. Falls, 1.5 miles from the trailhead. It's a peak summer time. Still water is there. This is water. So back of the fall. And the pool walking in water. Now it increased. So clear water. It's like a tap here.
It's go ahead.
Small tap. We are jumping from there. 10:30. Now there's a lot of crowd. Just now finished our bath. We are heading back to the trail. Full crowd now. Bye. Came to Pedernal Falls State Park. So it's so sunny. It's time around 3 o'clock now. So it's like a half a mile trek to falls. Yeah, we're at Pedernal Falls State Park. It's a 0.5 miles down. We are going to see the falls and then come back. Now we are not going to go into the water. This is Pedernal Falls.
Waterfalls come down.
There we used to have a lot of food at the farm, but now it's very low. So here the specialty is that this water is coming from the ground. There is no path from anywhere. So this much water is flowing. Pedernal Falls. So here they used to have flow more. We used to have a bath here so many years back. Definitely more, yeah, more than 6-7 feet. Here. Yeah, easily, yeah. Now climbing back up around 20 to 50. I think around 50 steps were there.
Hog, whatever you call them.
Hog,
Attributes, they're all the same, pretty much. We got the skunk, gray fox,
Oh, great fox?
gray fox,
Great fox, okay.
the bobcat,
Oh,
coyote,
coyote, okay. Awesome. The raccoon.
What is self-love? It's the love that's self-put and it involves everything.
Shots. The Krause Springs entrance. So day price is $10 each. All these are natural water coming from the ground. This is the garden near the Krause Springs. Baby is relaxing. Swan. Natural water swimming pool at Krause Springs. The water flows from one side of the pool to the other side. That's why you will not have any contamination or anything. It's like a flowing water. Let's go. Let's go jumping at Krause Springs.
Yeah, I actually heard. Bro, that's it.
Through. There is a cave. People are going inside. Hey baby. Water, still water. Ready? Bye. There is a cave. Can I? Whoa! Hey! Hi! Wow!
You want a video of yourself?
That's fine, thank you. Finally, after completing Sculpture Falls and then temple, and then we went to Pedernal Falls and then Krause Springs. Now finally reached to Inks Lake Park. So we are gonna camp here in Inks Lake Park, number 47, electric campsite. That's Inks Lake. Very nice, full water. We set up the camp tent and tent, few lights. Inks Lake Park camping. Say hi, boys.
Okay, we are at Inks Lake Park on his birthday, so 46th birthday. So camping, came late, arranged the tent, cake cutting time. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear, happy birthday to you.
It's morning 7:30. Just woke up. Time is now around Inks Lake Park near my campsite. It's beautiful. Small yellow flowers, play area. Nice flowers. Nice flowers and lake. The other side is the day area. There's more lily flowers there. So just now we finished a bath. Now we are preparing Maggie along with IPL final. Yes, open. Hot Maggie is getting ready. My Chimpandi is helping. And watching IPL final parallelly. Okay, Maggie is done. Now we are having breakfast. Hot Maggie. Very good there. And Arish help. Nice weather. Having Maggie and watching IPL final. How is the Maggie, Chinpande? Good. Lot of ducks here. So many ducks. Now we have completed Ings Lake Park. Today 26th May 2024. We are heading to Colorado Bend State Park. We are at Colorado Bend State Park. So we are going for Spicewood Spring Trail. I think around 1.3 miles Spicewood Trail. So it will have springs, Spicewood Springs and the small pool. Okay, ready?
Oh, yeah.
It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. 3 o'clock in the afternoon, 26th May 2024. So 10 years back, we came here. Ours was just 3 years old, I believe. 2014. Come on, Arish. Hey, bale undi. Hey, nice. Ugra? Someone upra nilli. Ah, yeah. Wow. Natural swing. The roots of the tree. Branches of the tree. It's not root, a branch, huh? Yeah. Oh, nice. Hey, okay. And that's the waterfall. We're gonna go there. This is the waterfall.
Ready? 1 minute,
It will be depth more than 6 feet. Now we are heading to the falls. ఇది కాదు కన్నా small falls. Wow, nice creeks. There is one more spot here. We are climbing up all the way to the falls. Wow, wow, wow. Nice falls.
ఇంకెంత
Let's see. We trekked for almost 0.5 miles after the pond. So if we keep going up, a lot of waterfalls are coming. So we thought like it's the bottom pond as well as the falls are better. So we are going back there. Come on, baby.
Beauty. It's so cute.
like a tropical forest. When Arif and Sivan were so kids 10 years back, that time they used to slide from here to here, all the way into the pool. Now these rowdy fellows become rowdy fellows. See rowdy fellows? Woo, natural swing at Colorado Bench State Park. Okay, two monkeys on top of the tree and eating chips at Colorado Bench State Park. And now it's tea time. Madam preparing tea in our favorite gas stove. And we have murkus for snack, homemade. Laddu, murku, everything is homemade. Just now we finished our waterfall trip at Colorado Bench State Park. After this tea is over, we are heading back to hotel near Temple City. Today 2024 May 27, Still House, near Still House. We came for Chocolate Falls. This is a huge dam here. Other side the big lake. And there, from here I think around 1.25 miles one way for Chocolate Falls. This is the trailhead or park. It's time around 9:30 on 27th May 2024, going to Chocolate Falls, day 3. It's a spillway on the left side. Let's go. Wow. Hey, oh, I saw it for photos, videos. Wow. We come back here. Oh, water is there. Good, nice. Oh, lot of water here. Hey, bondra swimming ikkada. Wow. How do you get down there? Oh, water. Clear water at Chocolate Falls. We crossed the river there. We're getting ready. Wow! Woohoo! So cool. You can hear the voice of the falls. Chocolate Falls. Savan.
పవర్ఫుల్ కానీ అసలు ఫోర్స్ చాలా ఎక్కువ ఉంది. చిన్నపండు
crystal clear water. Climbed and then came top of the waterfall. Come on! We're literally on top of the waterfall.
చాలా ఫోర్స్ చాలా ఉంటుంది.
అలాగంట్రా we are done with this. We are ending our Texas waterfall road trip. We reached the parking lot.